Hey, welcome back guys. Hope everyone's good. Just finished a paint job on the S7. We'll give you a quick update on what's going on. We had quite a few customers' jobs in that we've just finished off before the new year. So what normally happens is we end up neglecting the projects that need to be completed. So what I've done is, Friday was the last job on the A6 wide body. It's on this channel if you have a look on our other videos. Finished the A6 for Nigel. Customers over the moon. He rings me every day. He's gutted that he can't take the car to work as he has a works van. But anyway, he's absolutely over the moon. Car's done. So onto the S7. Finishing that off. I'll just show you what I've just done. I've just finished the paint job. I'm just assembling the gun after cleaning it. One sec. Follow me. Welcome to XUK. So that's the S7 facelift bumper, which is the 2015 to 2017, 18. That's the front lip. I've done the lip gloss black. That lip fits in the centre of the bumper. These are the wash jet covers and the tow eye cover. We always spray them off the bumper so you can get a nice paint job around the edges. And then if you come here, that's the bumper painted. We do everything in-house, all the prep work, all the painting, all the body work, and now we've started doing air suspension. We assemble all the cars in-house, there's no third party involved. And that's how we always wanted it, but obviously things like this take time. It's a learning curve, it's a procedure that you have to perfect. And over the last 5 years, that's what we've been doing. We've been concentrating on how we do a job on our own car and making sure we do it right, so we could offer that same service for a customer without any failures. So we try our best. We're humans, we make mistakes. I mean, I'll give you an example here. I don't know if you can see this, but if you point the camera in that direction, you'll see quite a bad finish in this area. Now, what's happened there is the primer's been sanded down with a sandpaper that's too rough. So what happens when you lay your paint on top of an uneven surface, it magnifies and amplifies the problem underneath. So the more paint you put on top and the more lacquer you put on to get this finished look, it keeps amplifying what's underneath, but it's not a problem. That there now can get flattened down with 2000 grade sandpaper, 3000, and then a machine polish. And everything you see that's an imperfection will come out, because we've done 3 layers of lacquer on this, and they're quite heavy coats. We don't do a light coat and then 2 heavy. We just do 3 heavy coats. There's a lot of material on there so we can perfect the finish. Now, have a look around. This is a makeshift booth. It's not a professional oven with a professional extraction system. However, I don't believe it's the environment that makes a good job. I believe it's the experience you've got and how you can perfect a job after it's finished. And when it comes to paint, it gets quite complicated, but you see people painting outside in the US where they're painting a car on the street, and they'll show you the finished result and you'll just think, wow, it looks like glass. It's because there's a lot of procedures after that can perfect the finish. So now that the bumper's painted, all the parts are painted, follow me, I'll take you to the wide body parts because we're making the molds. My wife bought me this. 2 litres of water.
A bottle of water?
And it's got timing on there. And it helps you drink the 2 litres. I wasn't drinking enough water. I was getting a lot of headaches whilst doing all this work. So get yourself one of them if you're a grafter like me. Right, let's go to the other unit. S7 is here, looking very poorly. Covered in dust, but I believe it's going to be around 2 to 3 weeks. This car's finished. These are the molds we've made for the S7 facelift wide body. Pre-facelift 2011, 2014 we've completed the molds. This is a new product. This is for the facelift version. Molds are done. They were finished a couple of days ago, and we are now laying our material down into the molds and getting the parts ready. So this will be the first set of parts out of the new molds, and then we'll primer the parts, paint them again like we've just done the bumper, and then assemble the car. The car's finished. So yeah, there's a lot of work that's involved in molds. I've got my good man here, Michalis, my right hand man. I couldn't do it without him.
Not his man, my brother.
Okay. So if you come here, we're also working on the Q8 molds, the Audi Q8 wide body. We had some pieces that were not finished. We made the molds for the arches, but we haven't put the kit on the market because the front splitter mold wasn't done. The rear diffuser pieces were not done, and now they're all completed. And the Q8 kit, we haven't made no videos on the Q8, but we'll soon be uploading some videos on that. So yeah, we're busy here. We're cracking on with a lot of work. And comment, share, subscribe, bell icon,
And bye.
bullshit, and buy. Link for the website is in the description. Just take a browse, have a look at what we do. If it's something that we don't do, just give us a shout. We can make it. So yeah, on to the next one.